Okay, so today we are going to try and change the gaskets of the oil filter housing. But yeah, as you can see, they are both. It's all leaking here and down there. It's a mess. Ugh, yeah, that's done. Yeah, I'll try to remove this. Wish me good luck. So I'm going to remove this. Should be probably hand tight. Yep. So just to relieve the pressure of the oil. So then I can remove the rest. Easy. Then God damn. So now I've cleaned the housing, the filter. Yeah. And yeah, so I cleaned it so it doesn't leak all over the engine, which will obviously, but you know, the less mess the better. Might leak a little bit. Fuck, you know. Oof. That don't look good. Yeah, oof. That was leaking all over. Okay. So yeah, now I remove this. I'll have to then clean there. Look, you see this here? That's where it was leaking. Here, and I mean, it was leaking all over. But yeah, you can see how bad it was. These gaskets. Gaskets. But yeah, we move. So now I'm gonna remove these few bolts here, which is what? I'm so stupid. I'm so stupid. It's one of the things, you know. What's it gonna do? Stop pouring oil like you're like, oh, this is over here. Excuse me. Oil cool fucking moving. Everything under control. Can't tell that I'm not a professional mechanic. I'm not a professional mechanic. It's cool. That's what you want. Should do it. No, should not the magnet. Some preparation? No, just to get this one out. I don't think it's nice. No, I don't trust it. Hold on. We can go around everything. I need to put the cover here again. I'm not shaking the camera. You said I'm not going to bring you up to me.
Yeah, that's coolant. Not into the engine, maybe.
Oh shit! It's cool.
It's coolant.
Ouch!
So you need to wash your engine bay at the same time.
Whatever they call it, they always have to do the coolant.
Yeah. There you go.
The coolant flush.
Yeah.
Can oil, if coolant goes into the oil system, you can stop now. If the coolant goes, yeah, you do. So this is an old gasket. Dead. And that's the other one, which I'll need the skinny ass motherfucker. Oh, language. Yes, I use my shin as a pressure point.
It's your third hand.
You wanna know about my third leg? Come on. Get the fuck out of there. No. There we go, and that's the fourth one. And then imagine I took these ones away and now I ordered the wrong ones. I need to clean this one.
Just clean all of it. Just clean the gasket.
Hmm?
Just clean the bits of gasket's gone.
As you can see, I don't know how to do this.
Ah, you're good.
Yeah, good enough.
Yeah, I reckon.
That all makes more sense now.
I
Why
can
is
see
this?
straight away that one's a lot softer.
Well, this one.
Yeah.
And this one has like lots of. It's not very. I don't know. Okay, maybe it's like. And when it warms up, it will expand, isn't it?
Yeah, a little bit, yeah.
Because, like, as you can see here, there is like lots of. Here, on top.
Yeah, so you can see it sits proud. It's only marginal, but compare it to the old one, you can
Yeah.
you can snap it.
Not like-
That's
Not like that.
yeah, no, that's fun.
I've done like rocker cover gaskets and things like that before, but not
Yeah.
this. And the turbo vent, whatever they call it, on that Land Rover, which was a pain. I've done that in Kassam Stadium.
I saw I drove past you on your 106. Was it your 106? And you were just doing a rocker.
Okay.
Okay, man.
Okay, man. Yeah, shit. Okay. Oh, it got a little. Oh, nice, nice.
Locating dials.
Nice. Okay. Now.
Just turn the camera out.
No. It breaks the phone. Okay. Not too tight.
And not the first pass, anyway.
No. Let me grab the your gun, and then I'll do it.
900 newton meters. That'll do.
At least. At least.
Then you don't need the gasket; it just welds itself together.
Oof.
Just friction weld together.
Yeah. Shall I get a welder to come here and just weld everything? Oh.
And then you need another window. Yep, I know exactly the meters and everything, so no one tell me. Huh? Sorry, yep. It's all about the fish strength. Yeah. You guys love it. Right. Moment of the proof. Is it gonna fit? Nope. What is it? Okay.
This is good. We're having fun.
Look! Oh my god! This car is cursed, I swear. Right,
And breathe.
let me do the easier one.
Yeah, that'll help.
Right. Yeah, it's meant to be.
Just waiting for it.
Right, so now I need the bendy.
You done the one on this corner already?
Don't worry about it.
Yes, I know then.
I need the bendy one.
Yeah, probably.
Okay. This is stressing me out. Okay, man.
It's fine. It's fun. We're having fun.
No, I'm not. I am crying. Oh, nice. Fits very well.
Just run it, check the level.
No oil.
squeeze it too tight.
I was ready to run.
Mate, I was. It's like, volcano time.
Good thing that I checked.
Switch it to the top of that. Yeah, it is.
Yeah. So yeah, if you do the mistake that I did, always check the coolant level.
I don't think it was a mistake. I don't see there was any tool that was going to get in there without having to take that coolant hose off.
Now I'm ready to take the whole thing out.
Yeah.
Too much.
That's fine. There'll be an air pocket in there, won't there?
Oh! Whoa! Yeah, that should do it. That should do it.
Ready?
Yeah, I'm far away. Go on. Just went on that test drive. And now I'm gonna check for the leaks. Yep, cannot see shit. Okay. Wow, no leaks. Yeah. And back here, all dry. Obviously the one down there is just from where I've done a mess. But around the gasket there is nothing, all dry. That's what I want. Very good.